Today I'll be showing you how to log into your WordPress website. If you're new to making WordPress websites, then your site will probably look something like this when you first get your domain name. To log in to edit your website, you go up here to your domain name, and I like to have it in a separate tab, and you paste it, and it should, like whatever your domain name is, should show there, and then you go slash, so it's got that slash there, and then WP for WordPress, and then admin, just like that, and then you click enter. Now it should bring you to somewhere like that looks pretty similar to this, and it should have username or email address and password. Now you'll need to find these, it'll be different to what I have here, and once you've found them, you can click remember me if you want it to remember both username and password and log you in every time you put in that WordPress admin. Then we're going to click login. This is how your dashboard will look when you first log into WordPress. It'll look very similar to this, and you can read through this and have a look at what you can do to your site. If you need more help with customizing your site, then you can check out some more videos I've done.